on the Green Olive Cooking channel, we are making a creamy ricotta fig cake. This cake only takes a bowl and a whisk, so quick cleanup. Let me teach you how easy it is with just a few simple whole ingredients and turning this into a great tasting dessert. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. One of the things I love about this dessert is how quick and easy it comes together, and you can really use any fruit you want. So let me show you how to put it together. First, we're going to start with some ricotta. Put it in our bowl, and then I've got some yogurt I'm going to add to that, and we're just going to whisk all that up until it's nice and creamy and smooth. Then I'm going to take 1 egg and get that all incorporated. And once this is all nice and smooth, we are going to gradually add some of the sugar. I forgot to add the butter. We need to add the butter, cream our butter. Add a pinch of salt, some baking powder, some vanilla extract. And we want to get that all nice and smooth and well incorporated. And at this point, we can add our flour. And that's how easy it comes together, just like that. So I'm using an 8x8 pan, and I'm just going to spray a little spray on the bottom. And I'm going to use a parchment paper. Now, my parchment paper looks pretty used, and it is. A lot of people don't realize that you can really reuse parchment paper. You just have to wipe it clean, and so you can use it probably 10, 12 times easy. So it is a reusable product. And so I'm just going to layer it crisscross like this. So this way it'll be perfect that I can lift it up when it is when the cake comes out. Now, even though I said you only need a whisk, I am going to switch over to spatula because I want to make sure that I get all of this goodness out of this bowl. So we just want to pour it into our 8x8 pan. And now we're just going to evenly spread our cake batter. So for this dessert, I'm going to use figs. You can use anything you want. I've done this with apples, with strawberries, or just alone as is. So we have lots of figs right now. So I've got some really ripe ones, and it just happens that figs is my husband's favorite fruit. So I'm just going to take some of the skin off of the figs, and then I'm just going to slice it in about 1/4 inch slices, just to kind of show that pretty color. And then I'm going to place them on my cake. And you can place as many as you'd like on the cake. Right, so now we have our figs placed in here. I'm just kind of pushing them in just a little bit into the batter. And so this is now going to bake at 350 degrees until the top is nice and golden brown. And I'll show you what that looks like when it comes out and how we can dress it up. So now our ricotta fig dessert came out. It's beautiful. I just decorated with some mint and some fresh figs, so you can add that to the plate. And I also garnished with a little bit of powdered sugar, which I think just gives it a real pretty, just soft look to it. And so I hope you enjoy this recipe. You can find the full written recipe in the description below, and check out my website at greenolivecooking.com for more recipes using simple whole ingredients. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ci vediamo dopo.